number 24. Okay, du would be a negative 3x squared. Okay, we have the x squared, but we don't have the negative 3. So we're going to add the negative 3 here and balance it out with a negative 1/3. They have to multiply to a positive 1. Okay, so now I'm going to bring down my negative 1/3, the integral of, this is my u to the 3/2 on the bottom. On the top, all of that is du. I'll move it out here. Okay, next my u bounds. Okay, these are x bounds right now. If I plug in an x of 0 right here, I get that u is 9. And if I plug in that x is 2 right here, I get that u is 1. Okay, now we're going to integrate that. This is just a power rule. It's not natural log when it's u, not u to the first on the bottom. So when we integrate this, we're going to move this u to the 3/2 up. Make it u to the negative 3/2, and then just do your power rule. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 to the exponent. Okay, add 1 to that, you get u to the, what do you get? Negative 1/2 divided by negative 1/2, which is times negative 2. Okay, and then we're going to be evaluating that from u equals 9 to u equals 1. Okay. So simplifying the fraction, I have a positive 2/3. I'm going to move the u to the 1/2 back to the bottom, which is really a square root of u. You don't have to write it that way. Plugging in the 1 first, I get 2/3 because the square root of 1 is 1. Plugging in the 9, square root of 9 would be 3, so it's going to be 2/9. And 2/3 minus 2/9. Get a common denominator, multiply by 3. So it's 6/9 minus 2/9, or 4/9. Okay, let me check my answer, but I'll go back through it, make sure that works.